projects that we're doing, it's okay. So you see, there's two leaflets, yeah, like this. And so, like, if I was to remove this over here, okay, this is like the midrib, and this is the leaflet. Yeah? And so, like, it's very important when you weave, you find out the techniques about it not being, you don't bend it too much so it cracks. Because if you see, this will keep it shaped like this, yeah? And that's why the coconut leaf is amazing. It sends out its branches and it's long enough, and then you can make a basket the size of like this, or if you use the whole length of the leaf, you can make it this big. So it's very versatile. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start us off on the first. So I'm going to. So what we'll do, just to develop some dexterity in our fingers, I'm gonna, the first project is going to be like a lightning bolt with a Buggy whip. Yeah. So we, you know, she goes there too. They say, oh yeah, is it for whipping? I said, no, not exactly. So I like to call it a lightning bolt. Yeah, a lightning bolt. And I did it for you folks so that it's easy. Now, what's going to happen is that I'm just going to start you off on this, and then before we even get to finish, I'm going to work on another project. And during the course of the other project, if you feel like you have time when you finish early, then you finish up the Buggy whip, okay? Use my left hand, you do the same, yeah? So I'm going to put my left hand like this, my midrib is off to the right. Right? Okay? So, the first thing, I'll take my hat so you can see my bed. Ooh, I have a bad hair there, you guys understand. Okay, the right hand, okay? Now we're going to start. The right hand goes behind the midrib. Pick up the, wait a minute. Yeah, you got to use the proper hands, yeah? Right?
Oh, sorry.
Left hand holds, right hand leads. Yeah. Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm a good bad example.
Well, you know, we need them too. I'll just move it like this.
Okay.
Okay, we go. Okay, the right hand. Goes behind the midrib. Pick up the leaf closest to you. This is the seed right here. Pick up the leaf closest to you with your, bend it to the right, perpendicular to the midrib. So what we're creating, I don't know if you had a chance to look on the website, but there's a little thing with a thing going zigzag up to the very top. We call it a lightning bolt or a Buggy whip. Okay, give one more. Yep. Okay. Yeah, and then just
Alright, so first you good? Nailed it.
Am I right?
You left.
okay, so okay, it's like this, and then my left thumb creases it right there, holds it down tight. Okay, so now my right hand, once again, is the leading hand. It goes in front of the midrib, pick up the leaf behind it, and bring it over like this. There. So both leaves are off to the right, perpendicular to the midrib. Down, right thumb down.
Right thumb down.
Put when the two leaves are together, the close leaves hold first. So you hold it like this. Push thumb away from you, parallel to the right side of the midrib. Clamp it down with your left thumb right there.
All right.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Okay? And then now my right hand, once again is the leading hand. I grab this leaf and I follow suit parallel to the right side of the midrib there. And after it, increase it with my left thumb, I throw the leaves away from me. There. Okay? So now there's no such thing as a right-handed weaver, left-handed weaver. In this case, we hold it with our right hand, and we will be weaving with our left.
You watch me now.
The left hand goes behind the midrib. Pick up the leaf closest to me right here, and then I bring it to the left. And this is what I'm creating, the first of many pyramids or triangles all the way up to the top. Okay? And then, once we get it like this, oh, I'm sorry.
Catch up.
Let's see. We can only work as fast as our slowest learner. Okay, so we're like this.
I'm the
And then this one here goes over.
example.
There.
That's great.
And then, so this is where we are right now. You pinch it with your left hand. And then from here, when the two leaves are together like this, the leaf closest to is hold the bottom away from us like this. Squish it with your left thumb. And then the other one goes directly over. There we go. Yeah. And then now you pinch it with your right thumb. And then we're going to be weaving with our left hand. Okay? So we're here like this. Right. So we grab the leaf closest to us like this. Pull it to the left. Bring it out like this. Squish it with our right thumb.
Wait. This is the other leaf. Wait,
Yeah, that's
you
it.
did that one.
Yeah, you're good. And then my
that's the
left
same one.
hand
Okay,
goes
okay.
in front of the midrib, pick up the leaf behind it, and brings it out like this.
You were right. You're right.
There.
I will jump again.
Okay? So now you're squishing it over here with your right thumb. Oh, look at that. You're halfway done. Very good.
I'm the worst bat.
Okay, so we're
can't even
pinching it
say
over
it.
here like this. And then my left thumb down, pick up the leaf closest to us, and push it away from us parallel to the left side of the midrib. Squish it with my right thumb. And then the other one goes directly over. So now we're exactly where we started, yeah? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a paper clip, and we're going to hold it. Hold that thought, because when you have time during the course of this class, I want you guys to finish off. See, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the paper clip right over here like this. It'll hold the spot, because we're going on to the next project. Okay?